and them there. So all of those recordings and voice notes that y'all hear, it before me and Tikki said with the inner something. Those were all before. And me sit and me gonna run with the narrative, because at the end of the day, people, it pays for you guys to watch my content. I get paid for you guys to come on my page, and the more they talk about me, and that's why I'm saying, oh, Trevor's running down Clout. They're the one that are talking about me, and I sit and I allow them to talk about me because it pays. Guys, some of you guys are so dumb. It's just so dumb. I sat and allowed everybody to talk about me because it pays for you guys to come and watch my content. I get money from it. So when you guys are saying I'm using Tikki, no. I am not using Tikki. Mean by how? My page is monetized. So that's the reason I'm going to come and deny anything or say yes, it's or something go. Because when all of them have their conference, y'all want to know who's King Trev, right? And y'all come over my page and you all watch me. Watch my videos. And I get paid. So why am I going to deny something? Why am I going to say something like that? Because I'm going to continue with the narrative, but I definitely believe it went too far from the Obia part coming to it and stuff like that. Now let's bring it down the line. Now Shamar, she said, but how Becky come in a bed between me and something from that. The three of us were all friends at that time. Nobody had no feelings for anybody at that time. As I say, Tikki started to express her feelings towards me after the bracelet something come off her foot. So that was way after everybody want me and her for they together and everything and stuff like that. Tikki could have just bring me on the internet and only just follow this person and just fall in love and just like this person somehow. Make it make sense. And I did say, Tikki, no, whatever we're going to do or whatever we want to have, let's keep it private. She said, no. She continues to say no. She continues to say no. She's going to bring it out there. At the end of the day, it's going to benefit us. So I'm going to say, all right, then do your thing. But as I said, it just got too far when police get involved, this, and that, and whatever situation is. The next piece of content is when me and Tikki have sex or whatever. Me and Tikki don't have sex, people. Man, Tikki not have sex. So whatever she tell Uno for stories and everything, content. Content, chat. Content. And I'm so sorry that I deleted WhatsApp yesterday, because I would have been able to show you guys. And if I stop believing everything, stop. You guys would not be over here now if it wasn't because of Tikki. And yes, I congrats Tikki for giving me a platform and introducing you guys to me. I appreciate all of that. And for those who are over here, it's not just only about selling candy and stuff, because I really do like the people who I've came across and stuff. And it wasn't no Clout, and I said yes, Tikki and I, we do have something going on, but it's not as crazy as how Tikki makes it seems. It's not that crazy. Not that crazy, chat. Okay? Because how can somebody come on internet every single day and I carry on about the same thing? Me want a boy and the boy don't want me. When you feel Tikki dumb, yeah, Tikki is so fucking smart. You feel like if I did not want Tikki would be continuous. Y'all know Tikki before y'all know me. Do y'all think that Tikki would sit down knowing that I don't want her and she's publicly saying it out every single day? Make it make sense. Would Tikki be doing that? Y'all feel sorry for her and it's working. Yes, when I say Tikki would do that. Guys, Tikki don't love me. I'm gonna just bust promote and done. Me and Tikki get to know each other. right? Me like Tikki and Tikki like me. Me like Tikki and Tikki like me. We get to know each other. We talk, we communicate, we talk about family, we talk about friends, we talk about sex, we talk about everything. Right? That's how we're there. Yeah, Tikki before tell me that she love me and stuff, but me not believe. Well, I know the real love that Tikki have for me. Right? It's not the love that y'all see on the media. The love behind the scenes is completely different between me and Tikki. I know she loves me, but the love that you guys are seeing, that's not the love that I'm getting though. Me not get a toxic love there from Tikki in person and in real life. When the cameras go off, that's not the love I get. And how Tikki does boisterous and stuff, once the camera, it's like when the cameras come off, Tikki's a complete different person. Tikki's a complete different person. You get what I'm saying? So if Tikki's gonna enhance our relationship for the media, I don't see any problem more with it. I'm not seeing a problem with that still. And at the end of the day, you guys are the ones sitting over her live. You guys are the one that are watching the videos and stuff like that and paying both of us. So I work the lady at work, and at the same time, I'm also working. So chat still, it become too personal when people come on people's house. Phone numbers I get exchanged, and who want bring down this, and let's clear up what us only had to say about business. Okay, my name is Trevon Thompson. I've seen people search up people information online, so I know you guys can search me up. The friends said I use credit card to open up my store. Go and search up my name. I'm in a $3,000 debt right now from appliances I purchased from my store. And I decided I'm not going to pay it because I no longer have the store. So how can I use people information when I had to take out a loan from time payment that I only paid, I don't remember how much I paid, and I have 3,000 something remaining on it. You guys can search it up. So how was I able to do that and still or it's on my credit? I'm gonna tell myself say nah, pay coming out of the store. So whose money may use? At least I'm gonna be honest, because there's no need for me to lie or whatever story. So if somebody tells somebody something, the person I tell on yourself, my name is not friends. The person used to live with me and catch on my yard, and I told the person to go. I tell the person to go and leave my house, and that's the reason why them know, because them want O'Neal with so much. Them I tell O'Neal all type of things and stuff like that. I never came to you guys and told you guys I'm American or I was born in America. And none of you guys never asked me before how I came to America. You guys never asked me how I came to America. So him saying I'm lying and tell people that me come to America, tell them I'm come through border. I never tell any one of you guys I'm American. Have any one of you guys asked and I said I'm American? Have I ever? And there's no screen record out there saying that I'm American. So who am I lying to about that? Make it make sense, O'Neal. Y'all see the pictures, and I come online and also show my picture in here. And I also said I'm not going to stop doing it. At the end of the day, I am girly, and I know I'm girly, and I'm no my body man, and that is just me, and that's something that just I like. Everybody like other different stuff, and that's just something that I like. That never hide. And I do not know Destiny. Of course, I know Destiny, and I may have seen Destiny, but Destiny I've never had any communication at all. So you're gonna see a while ago say me I'll fuck Destiny. Like what? I have never spoken to Destiny a day in my life before. I can say yes, I've seen her and she have seen me before, but we have never spoken or anything. So Destiny and I was never friends and will not be friends. So chill. What else? What else did he talk about? I chat that it no matter anything that y'all say on the internet, we're still gonna call each other at nights.
Not again.
Why?
You can't police for me. You think somebody can't kill?
What?
But you see me a class of only like me no want them come with box the liberty for you.
Don't tell her the chat. Don't tell her the say see. She got better than she got carbonate and say sister but busting up on you. Tell her, but do. So I can't make that. But now look. I'm telling the people, just start like everything that literal and serious. And these people, they're too invested in what Tikki and I have going on. And y'all will never know because me still not gonna come forward, even though I admitted over my life a while ago, say, Ray. I'm not gonna repeat again. We never catch for myself on my life. But we will never know what keep over here, so we will never know. So why you in my chat and we're beside it?
And then you chat me a passport for you.
A lie? Somebody not take it serious again. Guys, we are in something serious. But it just not. That's why you guys, with the content that you guys are getting, in a reach that's a yet.
We in something serious?
I don't know, you tell me.
No, you just said something to me and ask you a question.
Why do you want me to repeat it?
You want no, let me ask you a question. We in something serious?
I remember.
So why you just said, so why me can't ask you about the same question?
It's like, but just say, why do you want me to repeat it?
Are we in something serious more now?
Why want me to tell me, man? You must have me on the side, man.
You must jump off of this, I mean, I hear talk about me,
Say, Annie? So come on, I'm the world word, I'm going to say,
then after what? Are we in something serious then if you fuck?
we don't talk already, so I don't want to up on the media. Could I text me and tell me?
I'm not going to put it on the media again.
Again?
I'm not going to put it on the media.